We're at Dollar Tree to see what viral items they have in today. Okay, they have the sunflower print and it is $1 now, but they have the jars with the Q-tops and you can use these for kitchen storage, different things, crafts, but they have all of the plates. They have the mugs, they have the glasses, both style glasses, they have the shorter glass, and then they have the taller glass. I really like the jars, but they have all of the other parts too. So they have the pot holders, the oven mitts, the tea towels, all of that. And like I said, now $1, but I love the jars. Found more of those two-piece sets. You're gonna get 2 lids, you're gonna get 2 containers, and these are good to go ones. You can get the other ones, but I think the print is so much cuter. They have the Ninja Turtle ones. They have some lunch boxes here too, and then they have these right here that you can grab. So that's the two, and then they have the Disney little sets that you can grab too. So these are going to be 2 different prints and 2 different sizes for these, and then they'll put the prints on the front, but they are hard to see. But they have the lemon print too. They also have like a nice little print. Do they have it here? They have this one. Oh, they have one of them here. They have this one, and then they have this cherry one back here too. All of these are so stinking cute. This toothbrush is new too, and it has the toothpaste in the bottom. They put it here on the bottom shelf, so you might miss it. So always check all the shelves. They have the new line of the hair and body mist. So they're gonna have coconut, they have rose, they have jasmine, and they have vanilla. I think vanilla is the one that we didn't see last time. They had, I think, these 3, but not that one in. Okay, they have the Dolly's collection in. So they have, I think, most of the lashes in. So they have a few different ones that you can grab. And these are $1.25 too. And then they have this right here. I don't think this is this part of it? Is this part of the line too? But they have a few different things in right here. It is usually going to be on the end cap. So they have this into along with the lashes that you can grab, and then they have this too. So the nails from Dollar Tree, they look good in the pack, but then as soon as I get them out, they don't do it. But they have cute little stickers. So if you know how to do nails, and you can maybe add little stickers or something like that. They have the cuticle oil, different things. But they have both of these in at Dollar Tree right now. This set of charms, I don't know if we saw these before, but they have a few different options for the charms. But I don't always find them at the same time though. But I don't see the cases. They only have that case in right now. They have the Alice in Wonderland facial wipes. They also had the bath bombs too for these, but you can get these, and you know they'll come in different ones. So they have the lavender, they have the strawberry rose, and then they have the cherry blossom. You can get those. You can get all the other pieces too and make like a cute little gift set if you were looking to do that. And then they have this set in. So you have the cleansing toner pads. They have those. I don't know, did we see this before? But they have all of that in too. So they have that whole set in right now with the toner and all of that. A lot of these they've had for a while, but, and then if you can find these too, this is the beard wash. I think there's another part that goes with this too. So in the skincare, the patches, all of those, the face masks, they have some new ones in. So they've had these right here, but this right here is new. So coconut vanilla scented face mask, they have that one is new. These are new too. So the cleansing moisturizer face mask, they have dragon fruit mango, they have pineapple peel off, and lemon mint clay. They had that one. This great glow is new here. This one right here, lemon, and then they have this right here. So cherry blossom, Nightmare Before Christmas, and then Lilo, they have the watermelon berry in. So those are all new, at least at my Dollar Tree. Those are new. They have the lotions. These are like either I hate it or love it, but they have both scents in for those right there too. This one is another new one. I haven't seen this one either. I'm wondering if it comes with more pieces. But they have this right here. So hydrate and boost. We love hydration because my skin gets dry. But they have that one right there, 1.7 ounces. These are another hated or love it, but they are so stinking cute for $1.25, and they have a lot of different colors, and they change them out through the seasons. And then these tumblers too, so they're not like double walled, insulated, or anything like that. But they are $1.25. It'll get you along for a quick trip. And then they have, of course, a bunch of other tumbler options that you can pick from at Dollar Tree. Big ones, small ones for kids, travel ones, just a ton of them that you can pick from. So they have a few new ones in the makeup section. Some back in stock. So they have the gel grip face primer back in stock. They have the blush. They have the highlighter and Be Pure. This I don't recall seeing. So tinted lip oil. They have that in. And then, oh, this right here. Peptide lip mask with ceramides. They have that. And they only have one of those in. Let me see. I think I saw something else that they had in that was new too. This back in, they have that. Where is the other? Oh, the infused mascara, but that wasn't it. That wasn't it. It was something else. Where is it? That might have been it. I don't know. I don't see anything else. That might have been it. That might have been what I saw. Is that it? Okay, I don't know. These, I love these. So I got those before when those came out. Love those. These toothbrushes are new, so they're battery operated, and then it has the top closure on it. $1.25 for those. These, do not get these. I got these because they look nice. They look, you know, nice and simple, but there's no ventilation. So, and I saw it as soon as I bought it, and I still got it anyway. Don't do that because there's no ventilation, and you need, you know, air to flow through. Usually on your toothbrush holder, you see how this has holes in it? Usually there's going to be holes for ventilation. That has none. I think these little Briar ice cream bowl sets are so cute. $1.25 for these. So you get the spoon and you get the bowl. They have different prints. I found a few different ones other than these. So these are the ones that they have right now, but they have these that you can grab, and then the noodle ones too. I think the noodle ones are cute. The 2 bowl set, but you can get bowls, plates. Not a 4-pack of cups though, but for 50 cents at like Walmart, Target. So I think those are a better deal, but the 4-pack of cups is going to be the better deal because you get 4 for the $1.25. Have the measuring spoon sets here, and they have the little basters. They have Pooh, Minnie, Stitch, and they have Mickey back there too. And then they have the measuring spoons that you can get to go with it, and that's not it. They have SpongeBob, they have Mickey down here, that's that one. They have Stitch, they have Minnie, they have Pooh, so you can make like a cute little set. They usually have some other pieces too, but I don't see anything but the clips right now for those.